All right, and welcome to my Leap Forward Education e-learning module, also known as L.E.A.P.Club. I know that the expectation for this assignment is a 3 to 4 minute screencast. This is a very extensive learning module, so I'll try and get through everything as best I can, but I highly encourage you to look through this manually as well. So this is the opening page. This is one of the strengths, I think, to the e-learning module, because it's very interactive. There's a lot of different color and visuals. The text is minimal, but it's also very effective in explaining what this program is all about. Midway through, you'll see a YouTube video which I've posted that introduces the club, and I think one of the most important parts about this video is that it provides a lot of data that demonstrates the value of this program. You scroll down, and there's also some very key statistics that are meant to engage the reader and really attract their attention. Most notably, in my opinion, is these two over here. 72% of surveyed students selected agree or strongly agree that they were more confident about their future after watching Leap Forward videos. At the very bottom, you'll see buttons that will direct you to various pages of the e-learning module. The next one is alignment. And here is very critical. Again, this is one of the strengths of the e-learning module, where it aligns, or I have a poplet that shows the alignment between L.E.A.P.Club and MCPS, which is the district that I currently work for, their strategic plan. So it just shows that they are in alignment with one another. The next button is the flowchart, and this is a visual for how this lesson is supposed to flow, how it's supposed to operate. And I have it color coordinated. This is one of the biggest pieces of feedback and revisions that I made after meeting with my supervisor. She said it was a little bit difficult to follow. Before, I just had a bunch of tabs at the very top, and I think that this is really helpful in understanding exactly what the process is into installing and maintaining this after-school program. At the very bottom, we have a table of contents, and this was probably the biggest revision that I made. And once you select this, this will take you to an interactive table of contents. It's a Google Doc, and I basically duplicated the flowchart into a Google Doc, which was a pretty long process, but I think it was well worth it. And basically what you'll see here is the duplicated flowchart, and then for that particular step, it will be a hyperlink to that page. And once it populates, you'll be able to see that better. But at the very bottom of this table of contents, you'll also see extension activities for entrepreneurship and leadership if this process, this current flowchart or framework does not really satisfy the entire duration of the scheduled program. So from here, you can access every single step. Now the first one is, the first hyperlink I should say, is administer pre-assessments. And this again will take us back to the Google Sites. And this is basically where I'm gathering data as far as whether administrators really feel like there's a need at their school, and that is just based on the current existence of entrepreneurship and leadership programs. This second one is for students, as far as how they feel about their future and about different career options. The next one is marketing. This is where